Today, we're going to learn how to pull data from our Dumpling AI knowledge base and into Slack. In a previous video, we learned how to add data to your knowledge base. That stored data can be accessed in your Dumpling AI dashboard. But what if you and your team need to pull data from your knowledge base on demand? Having each team member jump into the knowledge base wouldn't be efficient. In this video, we're going to show you how to build an automation that will allow each team member to pull data from our knowledge base straight to Slack. Our first module is going to be the Slack module, and our action is going to be the Watch Public Channel Messages action. We're going to select our public channel and move on to our next module. Our next module is going to be the Dumpling AI module, and our action is going to be the Search Knowledge Base action. We're going to hop on over to our Dumpling AI dashboard and copy our knowledge base ID. Our search query is going to be the message text from our Slack module. And for this demonstration, we're going to reduce our result count to 3. Lastly, we're going to add a Slack module, and our action is going to be the Create a Message action. We're going to pick our channel, and our text is going to be the results from our Dumpling AI module. We're going to be collecting the resource name of our knowledge base and its content. Let's head over to Slack, send a message, and run our scenario. Our scenario seems to be a success, but if we hop back over to Make, we'll find that our response is empty. That's because our Dumpling AI module wasn't properly mapped. To map it properly, the module has got to have a test run in order to properly reveal all of the available mapping fields. Let's remap our scenario and run it again. Our scenario has been a success, and this time, we don't have an empty response. Instead, we have our requested data from our knowledge base right here in our Slack channel, putting the data from our Dumpling AI knowledge base at the complete disposal of our team in Slack. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.